Hello everybody, we are back with some more questions on plotting of linear equations in the coordinate plane. Last time we discussed how to plot a simple straight line graph for a given equation. Now we will extend a little bit more on that. So here we are given a question that there are two classmates who have together contributed of amount of ₹100 for some relief fund, and what we are supposed to do is represent this in a linear equation in two variables and show it geometrically. That is we have to represent it on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So what are the two things that we have to do? First, make a linear equation. Secondly, plot it on the graph. And how do we make the linear equation? Simply transform the given statement word problem into a mathematical equation. So what is the word problem given to us? Two classmates together contribute ₹100. So what are the two variables that comes to my head? Contributions made by the friends by each of them. So let the first contribution be X, ₹X, and let the other contribution be ₹Y. The contribution made by friend 1 is ₹X. Contribution made by the second friend is ₹Y. And what is the relationship between the two contributions? They both add up to ₹100 because together they make ₹100. What is it saying? Two classmates together contribute ₹100. That means both their contributions add up to 100. So you see, as simple as that, this is your linear equation in two variables representing this line. Okay, so we have solved this problem. Write the equation. The first part is down here. What do we have to do next? We need to represent this on the XY plane, the coordinate plane. We have already seen in our last video how we plot a graph for a given equation. We'll do the same thing here for x plus y equal 100. Okay. Now I think I'll just wrap this question because I've been needing some space here for the graph. Okay. So what was the equation that we had got from our last discussion? X plus y is 100. Which needs to be represented on the XY plane. Now when you do it for your exercises, please use a proper graph sheet. That will make it much cleaner. Okay. So here what I see is x plus y is 100. What is the first step to make a graph for this? We need to know a couple of solution points to this equation because we know that those are the points that will be lying on the line. So I need to figure out few solutions to this. So again, let's do it like this. X and y. Okay. For some value of x which I'll assume, I'll compute the value of y from this equation and thus I'll continue like this. So let's say for x is equal to 10, or better let's take 20. For x is equal to 20, if I replace x with 20 here, what do I get as the value of y? I get 80. For x is equal to 40, I get y as 60. For x is equal to 60, I get this is y as 40. And assuming this 80, we get 20. Okay. So what I see is, rather than plotting the graph in units of 1 here, I would rather take the basic unit as a 10 because I have to add it up to 100. The entire scale of my map has to be big enough to accommodate these numbers. So what I'm going to do is I will take on my x-axis a basic unit size of 20 each. So it's going to be like this. Okay. And similarly on the negative side too, which I'm not plotting right now. I don't need to show it to you right now, but when you do it in your exercise books, please make sure that you provide negative numbers here as well. So for x plus y equal 100, we got possible solutions, 4 possible solutions. All we need to do is plot these points on the graph. Okay. These are the xy coordinates that I have got, which needs to be plotted on the xy plane. What is the first one? 20, 80. Where is 20? 20, 80 is somewhere here. What is 40, 60? 40, 60 is somewhere here. Okay. Where is 60, 40? It's somewhere here. Where is 80, 20? Somewhere here. Okay. Now what do I need to do? Just join all the points. That is it. In fact, it should be more like this. It should pass through 100, 0. It should pass through like this. So this is the line representing x plus y equal 100. Okay? Make sense? What I have done is, first, we simply use the information given in the word statement to represent it in the mathematical equation form in 2 variables. Then we figured out a couple of coordinate points so that it could lie on the line that represents this equation. And then on the graph, we simply plotted those solution points and joined them together to get a straight line that represents the equation. Right? This was simple enough. Thank you. We'll meet again next, talking about some more equations. Thank you.